Okay, if you're seeing in our screen, okay, brother, if our screen uh, from here, let's start from here to here. Whatever we are seeing two color. One is red color, one is green color. Okay, so you can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you look at the green candle that I use for buy, right, and the red candle that
Mhm.
is we call a sell candle. Okay, so
Yes.
remember one thing: whatever we see in our chart, basically those are buying and selling candle, right? But for the representing of buying and selling, we use color combination, which is buy for green, sorry, green for buy and red say red for sell. Okay, red for sell.
Yes.
Market to me, I it is very my personal opinion is everything we see in the market is a combination of color. Okay, as we
Okay.
are using red and green color as a combination, so to me everything is a combination of color, nothing else. Okay,
Yes.
so when I say the combination of color, that means uh, like green is the combination of a red color or red is a combination of the green color. Okay, now
Mm-hmm.
if you see every time when you see in the chart, like from here to here, that's the last candle and this is the first candle I am thinking. Okay, so this is red green green red red green green red combination, but sometimes we see green color the full area of the combination. Okay, so this is not the combination. If you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 color, 7 are the same color. Okay, so when we have the same color, we are not calling it a combination, but what we call it? We call it a same color candle. Got my point?
Yes.
So basically, opposite gender is for the combination here. Are you married?
Yes.
So think about it like your wife is your combination, okay? And that
All
means
right.
you guys are opposite gender. But if you compare with you and me, we are not the combination. What we are the same gender, right? So
Right.
red and green is the different color, but one combination, okay? And same color, green and green is the same color, but not a combination, okay? So
Okay.
basically, what is the color we are using? We are using two color. One, as I said, green that we represent for buy. So let's say this is a green candle, and we represent it is for buy. Okay, and we have this is a candle formation. So how it can this candle happen? Every candle has open, close, high and low, right? Is it, my friend?
Yeah.
So we have a
Yes.
open here, we have a close here. So remaining two of what? Higher part and lower part, right? So we have
Mm-hmm.
high here, we have low here. Got it? We have low here.
Mm-hmm.
So how this candle form? If we talked about it like this is the opening of that candle, and goes back to the low side first, and then all the way go to the high, come down and it closed, right? And then it closed. So if we write it down, how we are going to call it? OLCH or HC, right? Because the
Mm-hmm.
process it followed, we are going to call it by this name. Like what happened first? Open, so open, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then market goes to low, then we fill it low, then all the way goes to high, then we call it H, and then it closed. So we call it low, close C, okay?
Okay.
And then how it will be the red candle? The same process. This is the opening, right, my friend?
Yes.
Then goes high, came down to low, goes upper side and close, okay? So what we call it?
Mm-hmm.
OHLC. So far, okay?
Yes. So far, okay.
Now, the thing is, now today we are going to start with something which is like this. Whenever we have a green candle, okay, green candle and a red candle, okay, two things you will see. Okay, two things you will see. First of all, we always going to have week, right? We always going to have week. Secondly, if you see, it's a engulfing cell. Is it, brother? At the same time, for the support and resistance drawing, we need only two candle, not more than that. Okay, only two
Yes.
candle. So whenever we have a green and red candle, so look, remember this OHLC, this OHLC.
Yes.
So look how it is going to happen. This is the opening of that green candle, and it close here, and then this is the red candle. Okay, so these two combination is giving us a level or A shape. Okay, which is becoming our resistance. You got my point?
Yes.
At the same time, we have a red candle and we have a green candle. These two candle combination will giving us an engulfing buy. Okay,
Yeah.
and this engulfing buy is also giving us what? Look at this. This is the opening of the red candle, and then this is the closing, and then the green candle opened and then closed here, right? If you look at this, at the same time it is a V shape. So whenever we have a V shape, we have a
By engulfing.
right, and whenever we have a shape, we have a cell
Cell
engulfing.
engulfing.
Right. Now the second part, whenever we draw a level or V level, as I said, every time we are going to have a wick, okay, or shadow, whatever we call it. The line we draw here, okay, this line we will draw from the close of the first candle. So in this two candle, which one is the first candle? Basically this one is the first candle, right? So we are going to draw the line on the base of the closing of this candle. Now it doesn't matter where this candle is opening, it is showing us a gap, is it? It is showing us a
Yes.
gap. We are not bothered about that, but we will always go to the closing of the first candle. So in this case, we will see as it is the closing of the red candle, we will draw the horizontal line here, and it will give us a support. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if you want to look some example, when we have a green candle and a red candle, that giving us what? It is giving us a shape, right? And we call it a resistance. Okay, resistance. Now, if you look at here, this is the very recent chart and a very recent example. Whenever we have a green candle and red candle, it will give us a shape, right? It will give us
Yes.
a shape. Now what I said, we will always go to the closing of the first candle. So in this two candle, which one is the first candle? This one, right? This one.
Yes.
So basically where we are going to draw the line? Here or here. Like red line or the black line, which one you prefer?
The red line.
Because we always go to the closing of the first candle, right? Now
Yes.
if I go to the line chart now, my friend, look at this. Where is the A shape started? In the red line. Got it?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
that's the basic reason we will always go for the closing of the first candle. Clear?
Clear. Clear.
Okay, so now let's move to the second part. Okay, the second part is whenever let's see, remember what I said, everything in the chart is a combination of color. What is this? It is a green
The
candle.
green candle.
It is a green candle. So whenever we have a green candle, what is the combination we are going to think of?
Red candle, sir.
Red candle. So this is a green candle high, this is a red green candle low. Okay, as I said, all of the combination, and it is a green color, we are going to look for the combination of the red color, right? Now remember, whatever we will see in the chart, we are not going to call it any different candlestick. Like you may know pin bar, you may know doji, morning star, evening star, hammer and everything, right? For
Yeah.
us, nothing. For us, only engulfing. Okay. So whenever we have a green candle, the combination will be what? Red candle.
Red.
And when we have a red candle like this, what we are going to call it? It is a engulfing. Okay. Why it is a engulfing? Whenever we have a green candle and the next combination should be red candle. If the green candle low, which is where? Which is there. Okay. This low is broke or break with the body of a red candle. In that particular case, we are going to call it engulfing. Clear for that? So far okay?
Clear.
So
So far, okay.
how many candle it take to form an engulfing here? 2.
2.
So whenever we have a 2 candle engulfing, we are going to call it a regular engulfing. Regular engulfing, okay?
Okay.
Now look at something else. Again, what we have here? Red candle, right? When we have a red candle, what is the combination of the red color?
Green.
Green. So when we will call this, when let's say this is a green candle happen here, when we are going to call it an engulfing?
If
When
it's over, the top, the high,
this
high
high
one.
break with the
Yeah.
body, okay,
Yeah.
body.
Body. Yeah.
So this is the body, and whenever we see something like that, we are going to call it a engulfing buy. And as it is a 2 candle engulfing, what we are going to call it? Regular engulfing. So far understood?
Okay. Yes.
Now let's go to something else. Let's say we have a green candle here, and it is a green candle, and we have it high and we have a low. Okay. So whenever we have a green candle, what is the combination we say?
Red.
Right. So previously what we said, one single candle break out the low with the body. Okay. Now it is possible like this is not breakout with the body with one single candle. So can we call it anything? No, nothing so far. Okay. Whenever one more red candle, two more red candle, doesn't matter. This could be breaked here. Okay.
Yeah.
Or it could be breaked here. Whenever the low of the green candle break out with the body of red candle, we are going to call it an engulfing sell. As this particular case took 4 candle to become an engulfing, we call it a irregular engulfing. Okay. So far okay.
Yes.
Now the next thing is sometimes it is possible we have a green candle, suddenly a red candle, and then it become a green candle again. What if the situation seems like this? Okay. What if? What I said doesn't matter, we go for the combination. So as the green is the color, the combination is what? Red. Okay.
Red. Yeah.
So what we are going to do, we are going to mark the high and mark the low. If you see this red candle high is breakout with the shadow, doesn't matter, it has to break out with the body on the bottom
Body.
side, and then we are going to call it engulfing. Now this could be like something this. Doesn't matter how many candle, but the body closing with the wick, not the wick, but the body should be closed on this green candle low. Okay?
Got it.
You understand it?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
Nothing so far.
So what will be for the buy irregular engulfing? Same. We will have a red candle. Clear? And
Yeah.
we will have a high. We will have a low. Okay. When we have that, what we are going to do? We will see any green candle which will break the high with the body. Okay. Doesn't
Yes,
matter
sir.
how many candle it took to break out that body. Okay.
Okay.
So far understood?
Yes.
Now let's go to the real chart. Okay, my friend. You see my chart?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What it is?
Um, there is a cell engulfing.
Why it is a cell engulfing?
So the body of the third red,
Candle break the
can,
low of the
yeah, can I break the law of the
and
low of the green?
it took 3 candle. So what we call it?
Irregular.
No, irregular.
Yeah, irregular.
What it is?
That's a regular
Cell
cell
engulfing.
engulfing.
What it is?
That's a regular buy engulfing.
What it is?
That's a regular buy engulfing.
Irregular.
Irregular.
What we have here?
That's a regular buy engulfing.
What we have here?
That's nothing.
No, it is something. Look, the low is broken with the body of the red candle, so it is irregular engulfing
Oh,
cell.
okay.
Okay,
Okay.
what it is?
That's a regular buy engulfing.
What it is?
Regular buy engulfing. Regular buy engulfing. Irregular cell engulfing. Regular buy engulfing. Irregular buy engulfing. Irregular cell engulfing. Regular cell engulfing.
Anyway, you see something, you notice something from here to here, every color combination we covered.
Mm-hmm.
What did not we cover? We did not cover this. We did not cover
Yeah.
this. We did not cover this. We did not cover this. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So we cover the combinations. What about the same color? Okay? So
Mm-hmm.
if you go to any same color, to like look of any particular area of this area, let's say we draw this particular area only, okay? This particular area only. Like this gap we are talking about. We do not see any engulfing here, is it? Nothing.
Yeah, no.
But if we break
No.
it down to one time frame below, look what we have here. What we have here. See,
We have,
first we have an engulfing cell,
yeah, engulfing
which is
cell on the
irregular,
inside.
and then we have it by. See it?
By regular. Yes.
Got it? As I said, everywhere. Look at this one. We are going to talk about nothing here, right? Two same color candle. But if we go to here, and we have a same color, go to 30 minute. We do not have anything. 15 minute. We do
Mm-hmm.
not have anything. 5 minute. What we have now? You tell me, my friend.
So we have irregular cell.
Irregular cell engulfing. Say everything in
Yeah.
the market is what? Either regular
Combination.
or irregular engulfing and the combination of color. Now you understand it?
Yes.
Why I said it in the
Understand.
beginning?
Yeah. There should be a combination of every candle.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we know which is engulfing, which is not. But the question is
Mm-hmm.
still remain why we need the engulfing.
Okay. Yeah.
That's the second question. Let's say
Uh,
we have
yeah.
a engulfing. Yeah, you want to ask something?
No. That's fine. So far, okay.
Just give me 1 minute, okay?
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, sir.
So you see what we have here? An engulfing cell.
Job. Mm-hmm.
And we have a engulfing bar. We expect market will come here and goes to there. That's the scenario number one,
Mm-hmm.
okay? Or it may goes to there and come back here. Okay, these are the scenario. Also, how we can actually know, like if you see there is an engulfing, right, and then it goes
Mm-hmm.
to that engulfing. It may be create another engulfing here, it may come here, it goes up, it may we have another engulfing here, it may goes up down, like we have another engulfing here, and then come back here. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So market move to engulfing to engulfing. You got my point?
Yes.
Let me show you some example, you will understand. Look at this, what we have here.
Uh, that's by regular engulfing.
So what you see, market just like did this, come back here and stop here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and then it goes up to higher. It first initially goes to there, in here. You see that engulfing cell? You see that? This is engulfing cell.
Mm-hmm.
It pause, it take a break here, and eventually shoot to the upper side, to higher. And then it goes to this engulfing cell area. And then it take a break here also. So let's see first time, and then it took a break here, and then it come down to higher, till again on this engulfing, like this is the engulfing, and goes back to again this engulfing area, come back again to this engulfing area, and move to upper side to till this engulfing area. Got it? And then come back to again similar, this engulfing area, goes back to
Mm-hmm.
this engulfing area, goes upper side till to stop which area, this engulfing area, and then come back to where, this engulfing area. See, and then goes to upper side to till where, till this engulfing cell area. Now it is coming back to till where, this engulfing cell area. Got it?
Got it, sir.
Now the question is, so many engulfing, which one you should pick?
That's the question.
That's the
I don't
question.
know.
That's the question, is it?
Yeah.
From now on, we are going to, as you see, so many thing in here, so many thing in here, okay? So many thing in
Yeah.
here. We will learn which one is the best, which one is the not, which one we should pick, which one we should not. Okay?
Yes.
So this is what we will learn in the next session. For now, this session, I have a homework for you. Okay? I have a homework
Okay,
for
sir.
you. The homework